can see some frogs. Okay, let's start the adventure. Follow me. This is all about coots, and do you know what family they belong to? It's the rail family. Rail means flightless bird, because most birds are flightless. Yeah? Does that make sense? Even if coots can fly, they can only fly over a little, not very a big distance. They can only stay in the water and flap their wings like they're about to fly when they're not flying at all. They're actually swimming. And coots are omnivores. They eat everything, including seaweed and tadpoles. And this is something what will love you. So coots have red eyes and a white beak and So this is about adventures. So we actually were at a place where we can see loads of wildlife. So we've seen a coot nest and we've seen 3 eggs and they're all very spotty. And I've seen a male and a female and I loved the coot's nest the best because it was so pretty. I especially like the eggs. And did you know how coot babies are like? Coot babies are reddish. And when they get older, they turn like a black. Then their beak turns as a white. And then they develop their grown-ups colors, like their mom and dad's colors. Eggs need to be protected, otherwise if they don't protect the eggs they could get taken and then they won't start a new generation. So that's why every animal, including humans, water animals, need to protect their growing young, even if it's not in a nest or even if it's not in an egg. Eggs are one way of helping baby birds to stay protected when they still can't see. Yeah, and did you know that an egg has millions of microscopic holes in the egg? So the baby chick does not have trouble breathing. Did you know that moorhens are different to coots because moorhens, they have a red beak and the end of it, the tip, is yellow when the coots is completely white. And one more way to stand out the differences is from their behaviors. So each animal has a different behavior. So moorhens like to fight over territory. And it's harder to see, but let's just look at the bill bit. Coots or moorhens are just a black color, completely black. No other color except from their white beak, just like the females. Exactly like it. Not even any tinge of difference. But there is something different between each one. They have a bigger DNA. Try to say that word. DNA. It's not a tricky word to spell. DNA. So DNA is one way of showing the genes of an animal. Like chickens and a whole bunch of birds are relatives to animals, like dinosaurs who roamed Earth 65 million years ago. And if you like animals, you would like this fact because actually dinosaurs are actually with mammals living today. Like the descendants of elephants are just like the woolly mammoth, and descendants of tigers are just like Smilodons. There's so much things that are exactly the same at the prehistoric time, especially of birds. There's a whole bunch of birds coming. Hope you like this video.